You had everyone and their mother buying Bitcoin, from sovereign funds to publicly traded companies to boomers. Now it looks like that the Donald J. Trump media company, we know that they have now floated a $2.5 billion convertible note in order to buy Bitcoin, but now they've applied to issue their own Bitcoin ETF. So they're just taking things to the next level. They've also airdropped all holders World Liberty Financial tokens. Richard Tang, who we've actually invited on the show, who runs finance, he was on CNBC a couple days ago, and they were talking about how the SEC has completely dropped their lawsuit against Binance. I mean, this is incredible. The other really big news is that Circle, which is probably considered the most legitimate stablecoin, just went public on the New York Stock Exchange. It's an incredible moment for crypto. It really is. It's just gonna make the stablecoin bill pass earlier, and it's just gonna cause more and more things to happen, including Solana ETF, Doge ETF, XRP ETF, and just more and more adoption. The last thing I'll say is we've seen the Bitcoin ETF flows now switching back into Ethereum ETF flows. And I think we're starting to see a rotation of risk from Bitcoin into Ethereum from the traditional finance institutions. Folks, this is exactly what we need. And it's really, really positive to see traditional finance embracing Ethereum. And it's taking its time, and it's not all happening at once, but it is starting to trickle down, which is positive. The last thing is I just see more and more bullish price estimates for Bitcoin from 115K to 125K to 135K to 150K. All the news is crazy bullish.